Approaching the ring from Greenwich, Connecticut, weighing 244 pounds,
one of the biggest superstars in sports entertainment, and the fans are showing their love. Well, the franchise nose-to-nose with the game. These two have had some of the most bitter wars in recent memory. But who's going to come out on top tonight? Nice reversal. A great reversal by Cena.
This will be a physical battle. Great move. He does it again.
Oh, look at the emotion. I have a strong feeling that these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam ahead.
And he does it one more time.
Oh my, an explosive suplex.
The range of emotions here is startling. There's almost an unknowing of what to expect. And the tide seems to be changing once again.
Oh, when the game gets on a roll like this, it's incredibly difficult to stop. Oh, what a painful kick. Did you see that, Cole? Talk about getting your spine adjusted. Jeez.
Wow, back-to-back suplexes. WWE Magazine out this month, and you'll find some interesting articles in there about all the superstars here in the WWE. Good in-ring presence shown by the game.
The cerebral assassin is so ready for this.
Dear Lord, what a suplex.
Cerebral assassin measuring.
A sharp kick. There's another great kick.
There's going to be a lot of offense in this match. Did you see that, Cole? Talk about getting your spine adjusted. Jeez.
And the knuckles connect. This is what WrestleMania is all about, ladies and gentlemen. The passion, leaving your body and heart and soul. And there's the submission hold. Will this do it? This hold is locked in really good.
Yeah, he's got to get the pressure off somehow. Cena countered it.
The cerebral assassin showing how he is always dangerous. You must pay extra close attention. Cena's in trouble now. Look out. And the closed fist lands again.
Triple H has got a mean streak a mile long. What's he gonna do here? What's he gonna do here?
Oh, don't do this.
Oh, this isn't good. Spine buster.
This is what WrestleMania is all about, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, submission. The hold's locked in.
The polished, uncanny game is so astute.
Watch it. He looks fired up here.
There's the suplex.
Stay down. Stay down.
Moving on pure instinct now. What will it take to finish this superstar?
Uh-oh.
There's no question what Cena's thinking here.
That's right. You can't see me. Nice fist drop.
He's got him covered. No, only a 2 count for Triple H.
The scary thing about Triple H is that he only gets meaner as the match goes on. Hey!
John Cena going for the AA. That was just unadulterated power. Cena makes the cover.
A kick out, and he almost had him.
Triple H has such a drive, such a relentless will to succeed.
Oh, and Triple H saw it coming. Did you see that, Cole? Talk about getting your spine adjusted. Jeez.
Hey, Triple H.
You can see the gears turning in the mind of Triple H. What to do next?
His shoulders are down. In a kick out by Cena. He's got it locked in. This could do it. You can almost start to see him fading now.
Yeah, with each wrench, this gets closer to being over.
I'm not sure what's worse when you go against the game. You try to rile him up and get him mad. And there are the ropes.
He saw that one coming.
Look at the pressure. You can see it in his face, the agony.
I guess he's done with that move.
Yeah, but what's he going to do next?
This has been a war. Uh-oh. John Cena may be kicking it into another gear.
Look at the eyes of the game. This is what WrestleMania is all about, ladies and gentlemen. The passion, leaving your body and heart and soul in the ring. Cena just one heartbeat quicker on that exchange.
Keep your eye on Cena. Watch it. Here goes Cena again. That's it. He's done.
Hooks the way. And with the wherewithal to escape, Cena nearly had him. Look at those eyes.
Oh, yeah, this could be big.
Triple H setting it up.
Look at this. You don't often see a superstar's own finishing move used against them like this. Uh-oh, Triple H has him.
The game is such a student of his craft. There are few superstars. That should do it right there.